last example, so short notes because there's not a whole lot we can do other than make things way more complicated, which we're not going to. So we have a tank that's the shape of an octagonal pyramid. Again, I don't know why anyone would ever want this, but it could be done, and so here's what you could do with it. Then it says its base has an area of 2125 square feet. As soon as I see the base has an area, I know capital B. So we are not going to replace that with length times width, because length times width is not how you'd find the area of an octagon. So we won't be doing length times width. We're just going to put in that number for B. And then we do know the height. That's good. And it says how many cubic feet can be put into the tank. When it's asking about cubic feet, it's asking about volume. So 1/3 area at the base times the height. I'm going to go ahead and substitute in 2125 times the height. So 2125 times 20. So 42,500. I'm going to divide that by 3. This is the first one that we've had in these notes where this number can't nicely be divided by 3. So I got 14,166.6666666666666666666. So here's the thing. If this was regular school year, if you were in my regular geometry classroom, or I would think almost any classroom, but definitely the geometry classes, we would say do not write that down. If the problem doesn't say rounded, don't round it. But it's summer school. We all just want to get a credit made up and then move on with our lives, so I don't really care about this. Just go ahead and round it and say that it's about 0.7-ish if I round it to the nearest tenth. That's the cubic feet. So don't get frustrated because I already made the answer key for this lesson. There are several that don't turn out to be nice, pretty numbers like these ones did. So some of them are going to give you decimals. Decimals exist in the world. We're just going to round it and move on with our